Welcome to the virtual exhibit booth at the 2021 CubeSat Developers Workshop. This year, we are proud to be joined by more than 30 exhibitors in the CubeSat community. To host our exhibitors in the best way possible and ensure a user-friendly experience, we are using the Zoom meeting platform. So, you might be asking, how do you join a virtual exhibit booth? Well, first, click on the exhibit booth link on this page. Next, select Breakout Rooms at the bottom of your Zoom screen. There, you will see a list of exhibitors available. Hover over your desired exhibitor and click Join. In the exhibit booth, you will find a representative from the organization to speak with you. If you would like to move to another exhibit booth, click Breakout Rooms at the bottom of your Zoom screen and choose Breakout Room. Complete the same process by clicking Join next to your desired exhibitor. From there, you can either join another exhibit booth by clicking Breakout Rooms or leaving the current exhibit booth. To return to the main session, select Leave Room and then Leave Breakout Room. And that's it! If you need any further help, there will be guides available in the meeting to assist you. We hope you enjoy your time at the virtual exhibit booths and at the 2021 CubeSat Developers Workshop.